Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Usibu Mpanza is in fact getting criticized for marrying someone that he loves, guys, and I don't know, like, people think just because you have a child it changes your worth, it changes everything about you, but that's not always the case. Usibu Mpanza posted this video as a I don't know, I saw this video though on Facebook. I think it was a Facebook reel where he was just shooting content with his stepkids, and people started coming for him saying that he broke up with someone who doesn't even have a child and went on to marry a mother of two, not even one but two. People were just coming for him, and guys, I don't know, like, yaziki, he used his own money to pay lobola, he used his own money for the wedding. So, like, thina sihlanganaphi? For us to come for him, sihlanganaphi, guys? And he is not ashamed, because you can tell what he is not ashamed. If he was ashamed, he was not going to be posting his stepkids. If he was ashamed, he was not going to be posting his wife, because nje bekazoyifihla the whole thing. But for the fact ukuthi he is posting about it and he is not ashamed, he's not afraid, it means ukuthi nje akekho nje, ayikho into ayisabayo, he's proud of it. So hey guys, people are just coming for him. Good time, not that you can do better. Like, image ayiqali ngo-0. When una 0 and una 2, it doesn't go like that, which is something that we need to stop as a society, guys. Sibu Mpanza is happy, and we should just let him be. We should just let him be. It's his own decision. If they are in love, and then tina singenapi, you know hey guys, please let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this? Do you guys feel that this was wrong or ganjani? I'll see you on my next one.